And today, Colty and I want to show you these plushies. We have a little cow here. And what do you have? Do you remember what it's called?
A capybara.
A capybara, that's right. And what these are therapeutic aromatherapy little plushies, but they can also be used for play as well. Because they have these little scent packets, and you do get 2 scent packets with your plush, and it goes in their little personalized bag. This one has like a little strawberry purse because it smells like strawberry. And the capybara has an orange on the front, and the scent bag goes inside the orange. These are super soft. They're weighted on the bottom, so when you set them up, they will sit upright, just like that. They have the little beans in the bottom. You might be able to hear that.
I can't.
All their faces and features are embroidered, so they're going to last a really long time. They're not just iron-ons that are going to peel off. What do you think? How do they feel to you?
They're cool.
You think they're cool? Are they soft?
Yes. Fight.
Fight? Oh, no! They don't have to fight. What if they like each other? So which one do you like better, Colt? Do you like the capybara or do you like the cow?
Capybara.
You like that one?
Yes.
Now, these do come as individuals. So whenever you go to checkout, make sure you pick out the one that you want. They do have the super soft microfiber. They're fun to have around. You can just set them on your desk. And if you ever need a snuggle or a nice fresh scent, you can just pick them up and smell them and hold them or play with them. They're good to have at your desk, in school, or at work. You can keep them in your room next to your bed to give that nice pleasant odor.
Mm-hmm.
What's the capybara smell like?
Orange.
Yes, it does. So if you like plushies and you want some really nice ones that smell super good, we recommend that you check out this cow. And this what?
Capybara.
They're super cute, they smell great, and they're going to be great to have. We hope this video helps.
And thanks for watching.
And thanks for watching.